Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Worried about losing your Cash App account if lost your phone? No stress. Cash App doesn't need a manual backup like some apps. Everything is cloud-based and tied to your phone number, email, or cash tag. Still, here's what you must know and do to secure your account and restore it easily on any device. How Cash App backups your account automatically. So unlike apps like that needs backup files, Cash App stores all your data securely on its server. This includes your account balance, linked bank or credit details, payment history, and lastly, settings and security preference. So if you switch phones or reinstall the app, your data is safe as long as you can sign back in. Then what you must do to ensure easy recovery. To make sure you can restore Cash App account anytime. First, link at least one active email or phone number. Go to Profile at the top right corner, then tap Personal. Then check that your email or phone numbers are correct and active. Then enable a strong password or Face ID. Go to Privacy and Security, then turn on Security Lock. So this protects your account even someone else installed the app on your phone. Next, know and save your cash tag. So your cash tag is like your username. You need it if support needs to verify you. Then how to restore your account on a new device. For that, install Cash App from the App Store or Google Play, then open it and tap Login. Then enter your linked phone number or email, and next enter the sign-in code that's sent to you. And you are in, your account, your balance, and history will appear again. So forget your email, phone, or change number, then tap Travel Login or go to their cash.app/help and then contact a support. Common mistake to avoid is that creating a new account by mistake. Always tap login, not sign up. Then use an old or inactive number. Update your contact info ASAP if you change your SIM. Then lastly, not turning security lock. This helps protects you from fraud if someone gets your phone. Here's some bonus tip. If you set up Cash App on multiple devices, what to do? So Cash App is designed for one app at a time, but you can log in from a different device if need. All you just need to do is sign in code each time. The bottom line is you do not need to manually back up your Cash App. Just secure your login credential and keep your phone and email update, and you will be restored everything in a second. And if this helped you out, make sure to like, comment your questions, and of course subscribe for more Cash App tutorials. Stay smart with your money. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.